Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. Check out this brand new LED lighting kit I just installed into this vehicle. It looks absolutely amazing. In this video, I will show you how to install this. Stay tuned. Let's take a look at this LED lighting kit that I'll be installing in the vehicle. This one I have here is from the company Minger. Inside the box you'll find 4 LED lighting strips. Here's a look at this LED light kit. Starting on the right side, you have this 12-volt power adapter, and it goes to this controller. From this controller, it goes out to this first LED strip, and then continues on to the second one, third one, and the fourth one. Now, with the design of this kit, you'll notice you do not need to run 4 separate wires for each LED strip back to a control box, but instead, all 4 of these LED strips are linked in series. So when you install this, you start with plugging this power plug into your 12-volt accessory port, and then you mount this control box near your center console. Next, you mount this first LED strip under the driver's side dash. Then you route the wire to the second row and mount this second LED strip underneath the driver's seat. So this will illuminate the second row. Then bring this wire over to the passenger front seat and mount this third LED strip underneath the passenger seat. Then route this wire back to the front of the vehicle underneath the front passenger dash. And this will be the 4th LED strip that you'll install. Looking at this power plug, you'll see at the end we have this on-off switch. So you can use this switch to turn on and off these LED strips. So let me plug this into my power supply and I'll show you how this works. On the controller at the top here, there's also a power button to turn on and off these LED strips. If you press it once, it'll turn it on. Below the power button, we have this color control button right here. So right now we're looking at blue color. If you press it once, it'll toggle to different color. And there are a total of 7 different colors. Now we're back to blue. You can also adjust the brightness of these LED strips using the 3rd button at the bottom right here. Press and hold this button for a second. Right now is the dim mode. Press and hold again. It gets brighter. And there are 5 different brightness you can adjust to. Now if you do a quick press of the 3rd button at the bottom here, it'll change the mode of the LED. In this mode, the color of the LED will change automatically and is also sound activated. So right now when I'm speaking, the microphone on the control box will pick up the audio and make the LED flash. Now if you want to go back to a single color, press the middle button right here. And if you want to turn it off, press the power button. Now with this system, it does remember the last mode you're in. So let me turn this on. Now it's blue, right? Let's change the color to a different color, purple let's say. Now I'm going to turn off the power switch on the power plug to simulate you turning off the ignition to your vehicle. Now I'm going to turn it back on again, and you'll see it goes back to this purple color. Same thing if I was to set this to sound activated mode. I'm going to turn it off. Now I'll turn it back on, and it'll go back to the sound activated mode. Now let's take this to the car and I'll show you how to install it. I'll be installing the LED lighting kit into this 2018 Nissan Sentra. First we'll plug this into a 12-volt outlet. Next we'll install this control panel. On the back there are these 2 double-sided tape. Use the double-sided tape to stick this onto your dash. I'll install the controller right here next to the shifter. Tuck the wires underneath this trim piece right here. Now we'll install this first LED strip underneath the driver's side dash. Now the overall length of one of these strips is 12.5 inches long. On the back there's a 3M double-sided tape. You can remove the backing and stick this underneath the dash right here. Now the kit also comes with these plastic clips with double-sided tape. You can use these to help manage your wiring. Here's a look at the first one installed. Go ahead and remove this side trim. Pull back on this piece right here. and run the wire behind it. Open these clips. And we'll run this wire along the factory wiring you see right here. Now this wire that goes to a second LED strip is 5 feet long, so it has plenty of length for you to run this to a second row. Reinstall this panel. Here's a second LED strip. You can either mount this underneath the seat, or if you want, you can mount this on the floor underneath the seat. You just need to tuck it in a little further in so the rear passenger will not see this LED strip, but once it turns on, it will illuminate this entire area. As you can see, I installed it on the floor and then run your wire underneath the seat track over to the passenger side. This wire that goes over to the passenger side is 27 inches long. I tuck the wire underneath the center console over to the third LED strip and then run the rest of the wire to the front passenger side. For this fourth and last LED strip, repeat the same procedure as you did on the driver's side. Here's a look at the last LED strip installed. Alright, let's turn it on and see how it looks. These lights look great. You can change the color. Now let me show you the multicolor sound activated mode. Turn on the radio. Let's have a look at these lights around the car. As you can see, this is a great LED lighting kit for your vehicle. The build quality of the LED light strip and the intelligent controller is very good. This kit is very easy to install. It shouldn't take you more than an hour to complete the install. Now you're going to be shocked when I tell you the price of this kit. You can pick this up on Amazon for $18. At this price point, it's affordable for everyone. I will include the link for this item in the description below so you can check it out. I'm always happy to show you a product that works and affordable. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.